Imagine being told by your teacher that you're not smart enough to succeed. What would you do? Let me share the story of Thomas Edison and how one letter changed his life forever. When Thomas Edison was a young boy, he struggled in school. His teachers thought he was slow and often sent him home with harsh notes to his mother. One day, Edison came home with a letter in his hand. His mother opened it and read the words aloud. "Your son is too stupid to learn anything. He is a constant distraction in class and will never amount to anything." His mother didn't react the way most would. Instead, she took the letter, looked at her son, and said, "Thomas, your teacher is wrong. You are a genius, and you can do anything you set your mind to. Never let anyone tell you otherwise." Edison's mother believed in him when no one else did. She nurtured his curiosity, encouraged him to explore his ideas, and never let him give up. Edison went on to become one of the greatest inventors in history, holding over 1,000 patents, including the invention of the light bulb. Edison's story is a powerful reminder that the words we hear, especially from those who love us, can shape our destiny. Never let others define your potential. Believe in yourself, just like his mother did,